We rarely think about breathing, yet every breath is essential for life. Our respiratory system is a complex network of organs working together to provide our bodies with the oxygen we need to survive. From the moment we take our first breath to our very last, this system tirelessly performs a vital task, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. In this essay, we will delve into the fascinating world of the respiratory system, exploring the incredible journey of air and the crucial process of gas exchange. The respiratory system is our lifeline, connecting us to the air around us. With each inhale, we draw in oxygen, the life-giving gas that fuels our cells. With each exhale, we release carbon dioxide, a waste product of the body's metabolic processes. This constant exchange of gases is essential for maintaining the delicate balance within our bodies, enabling our cells to function properly and sustain life itself. Our lungs, the primary organs of the respiratory system, are marvels of engineering. These spongy, air-filled organs are located in our chest, protected by the rib cage. The lungs are designed to maximize surface area for efficient gas exchange, with a network of branching airways that resemble an upside-down tree. This intricate structure ensures that oxygen reaches every corner of our body, while carbon dioxide is efficiently removed. Understanding the respiratory system is crucial for appreciating the importance of breathing and maintaining good respiratory health. By learning about the journey of air and the process of gas exchange, we gain a deeper understanding of our own bodies and the incredible processes that keep us alive. So let's take a deep breath and embark on a journey through the wonders of the respiratory system. Our journey begins with a single breath. As we inhale, air enters our body through the nose or mouth, where it is warmed, moistened, and filtered for any foreign particles. The air then travels down the trachea, also known as the windpipe, a tube-like structure that connects the upper and lower respiratory tracts. The trachea is lined with tiny hairs called cilia, which help to trap and remove any remaining dust or debris that made it past the initial filtering in the nose. The trachea then splits into two branches called bronchi, one for each lung. The bronchi further divide into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles, forming a network that resembles the branches of a tree. As the air travels through this intricate network, it is further warmed, moistened, and cleansed before reaching its final destination, the alveoli. The alveoli are tiny, balloon-like sacs located at the end of the bronchioles. These sacs are the functional units of the lungs, where the crucial process of gas exchange takes place. Imagine the alveoli as millions of tiny balloons clustered together, each one in close contact with a network of capillaries, the smallest blood vessels in the body. This close proximity between the alveoli and the capillaries facilitates the efficient exchange of gases between the respiratory and circulatory systems. This journey, from the initial intake of air to its arrival at the alveoli, is a testament to the intricate design of the respiratory system. Each step along the way plays a crucial role in ensuring that the air we breathe reaches its final destination in a warm, clean, and humidified state, ready for the vital exchange of gases that keeps us alive. The alveoli are the stars of the respiratory system, responsible for the life-sustaining process of gas exchange. These tiny air sacs are only 1 cell thick, allowing for the rapid and efficient diffusion of gases across their thin walls. This is where oxygen from the inhaled air enters the bloodstream, and carbon dioxide from the blood is released into the lungs to be exhaled. Imagine the alveolus as a tiny marketplace, with oxygen and carbon dioxide as the main commodities being traded. The alveolus is filled with oxygen-rich air from the last inhale, while the surrounding capillaries carry deoxygenated blood, rich in carbon dioxide, from the body's tissues. Due to the difference in concentration, oxygen naturally moves from the alveoli, where it's more concentrated, into the capillaries, where it's less concentrated. At the same time, carbon dioxide, being more concentrated in the capillaries, diffuses into the alveoli, where its concentration is lower. This simultaneous exchange of gases happens passively, driven by the natural tendency of molecules to move from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. This process is known as diffusion. Once the oxygen has entered the bloodstream, it binds to a protein in red blood cells called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin acts like a taxi service for oxygen, transporting it from the lungs to all the cells in the body. Meanwhile, the carbon dioxide that entered the alveoli is expelled from the body with the next exhale. Section 4. The importance of oxygen. Oxygen is essential for human life. It plays a vital role in cellular respiration, the process by which our cells convert glucose or sugar into energy. This energy is crucial for all bodily functions, from the beating of our hearts to the firing of our neurons. Without a constant supply of oxygen, our cells wouldn't be able to generate the energy they need to function, leading to cell damage and eventually death. Oxygen is particularly important for organs with high energy demands, such as the brain, heart, and muscles. The brain, for example, consumes about 20% of the body's oxygen supply, even though it only accounts for about 2% of the body's weight. This highlights the brain's dependence on a constant supply of oxygen for its complex functions, including thought, memory, and movement. A lack of oxygen, known as hypoxia, can have serious consequences for the body. Mild hypoxia can lead to symptoms like shortness of breath, dizziness, and confusion. Severe hypoxia can result in organ damage, coma, and even death. This is why conditions that affect the respiratory system, such as asthma, pneumonia, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, can be so serious. The efficient delivery of oxygen to the body's cells is therefore crucial for maintaining health and well-being. This essential element is the lifeblood of our cells, powering the processes that keep us alive and functioning. Understanding the importance of oxygen underscores the critical role of the respiratory system in delivering this vital gas to every corner of our body. Section 5. The role of carbon dioxide. While often viewed as a waste product, carbon dioxide, or CO2, plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's delicate pH balance. As a byproduct of cellular respiration, CO2 is constantly being produced by our cells. If allowed to build up in the body, CO2 would create an overly acidic environment, disrupting normal bodily functions. The respiratory system plays a crucial role in regulating CO2 levels in the blood. As CO2 levels rise, the body responds by increasing the breathing rate, effectively expelling more CO2 with each breath. Conversely, if CO2 levels fall too low, the breathing rate slows down to conserve CO2. This intricate feedback loop ensures that the body maintains a stable pH level, which is essential for the proper functioning of enzymes and other proteins. Beyond its role in pH regulation, CO2 also plays a role in regulating blood flow. It acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps to widen blood vessels. This is particularly important in the brain, where CO2 helps to ensure adequate blood flow to active areas. In fact, the brain is so sensitive to changes in CO2 levels that even a small increase in CO2 can trigger a significant increase in blood flow to the brain. While often overlooked, CO2 is an essential component of the body's respiratory and circulatory systems. Its efficient removal from the body ensures a stable pH balance, while its role in vasodilation helps to regulate blood flow, particularly to the brain. Section 6. The cycle of life. With every breath we take, we participate in a delicate and vital cycle. The respiratory system, working in perfect harmony with the circulatory system, ensures that oxygen is delivered to our cells and carbon dioxide is removed. This continuous exchange of gases is the very essence of life, powering the processes that keep us alive and functioning. From the moment we are born, our lungs inflate with air, and this cycle of breathing continues throughout our lives, often without us even realizing it. Each breath is a testament to the intricate design of our bodies, a complex interplay of organs, tissues, and cells working together to sustain life. Understanding the vital role of the respiratory system should inspire us to take care of our lungs. Avoiding smoking, limiting exposure to air pollution, and engaging in regular physical activity can all contribute to good respiratory health. By protecting our lungs, we are protecting our ability to breathe and ultimately our lives. So the next time you take a breath, pause for a moment to appreciate the marvel of your respiratory system. This incredible system, working tirelessly day and night, is a testament to the wonder of the human body and the precious gift of life.